Hello. Sounds like a fart.
Hi guys, welcome to Cameron's Corner.
Hi.
We're in the hallway and my hallway is kind of a tiny collection hallway. So let me just show you. It's a bit dark, but over here I have an IKEA, I think it's CD cabinet. Is that a cabinet?
Yeah. If you hear this, that's the door.
Yeah, Noortje's farting. So this is my Roodkapje, my little Red Riding Hood collection. Isn't it awesome? So
Beautiful.
That's what I have over here. Look at that. It's so amazing. But over here I have another one. And there are lots of Hello Kitty items in here that I actually don't want to get rid of.
Re-ment.
It's all re-ment stuff. Look how cute that is. And look at this. This is so cute. And now this I'm gonna keep. And these I want to keep. Those can go. I don't really know what to do with this. Look at it. So I have quite the dilemma. Over here you have cars. Not interesting. A lot of magnets. And then over here,
More Hello Kitty.
more Hello Kitty. Look at it. Look at it. So this is gonna stay here because I love it. It's not that I'm gonna get rid of everything. You wanted to steal that one, didn't you?
I think I have that one.
Okay. So that's what I have in my hallway.
Upstairs.
Okay guys, so now we're upstairs in the attic. It's very dark, but I can't get more light over here at the moment. This is a lot of Hello Kitty stuff that I still have. And then books. So this stuff I need to figure out, what do I want to keep, what can go. And I also have this. This is now my Hello Kitty collection. So I got rid of a lot of stuff, but not what was in the attic. Actually, this was stuff that I wanted to keep, that I sorted through. It is very narrow over here, but... So on top I have all kinds of Steffi dolls. And then I got lots of plush, of which I want to keep. Actually, I think almost everything. But then over here I have lots of stuff that... Lots of it can go. And over here I have lots of stuff. So I wanted to keep all of this, but now I think, yeah, you know what, I do want to keep a few items, but the rest I'm going to let go of. Except for the little wallets, because I really love little wallets, but some of them can go. It is a bit dark, I know, but lots of Hello Kitty stuff over here. My Tokidoki bag. Oh. And lots of Hello Kitty stuff over here. As you can see, it's a giant mess. So what we want to do is get all this stuff downstairs. But how do you do that? So, my kids are coming over and my son and my husband are gonna pack all of this in bags and take it downstairs. And Noortje and I are gonna see what am I going to keep, what am I going to let go of. Which is very hard. Because to be honest, I still love everything. So I've got a lot of decisions to make today. But I just wanted to film it one more time. So you might think, why are you filming this? And as you can see, I'm wearing different clothes. It's a different day. It's a few weeks later. And I showed you the hallway because one of those cabinets with the Hello Kitty stuff I want to empty. And the stuff that I want to keep, I want to put over here in the attic. The attic, all the stuff over here I want to get rid of, most of it, so maybe I'm gonna keep one of these bookcases. Might keep one with Hello Kitty, and the rest is gonna be for my other collections, like Little Red Riding Hood. So then I can put my Little Red Riding Hood over here, and when I've done that, I can put my Cinderella. Well, anyway, it's a whole puzzle, but it all starts with emptying the attic. Then I can let go of the items that I really still love, but I'm not collecting Hello Kitty anymore. It's so hard to let go of this collection, but I can't collect everything. So I'm gonna let go of a lot of Hello Kitty items today, and the rest we're gonna sell as blind boxes still. It takes a bit longer than I expected, but they will get there. Someday there's gonna be blind boxes that I'm gonna sell to you if you want. I'm gonna make videos on all my social media places, so you'll find out once I'm gonna do that. And then I have room for my collections for the stuff that I want to keep, because I've got too much stuff. And I know I'm a collector, so I'm gonna get rid of this and I'm gonna put new stuff in here. But that's just who I am. It's okay. Not everyone understands that. That's okay. I'm just a collector and I love this. But Hello Kitty is just... It was fun while it lasted. It's been a few years. I've collected it for 10 years maybe, and that was fun. But now I'm gonna let go of it. I'm just gonna start collecting something new. And my Alice room, I have now have Cinderella in my Alice room. I want to take that somewhere else, actually in the hallway. So that has to be empty for Cinderella. And then I can make my Alice room an Alice room. So it's gonna be completely 100% Alice. The whole room. And this is gonna be for a Little Red Riding Hood. And maybe a little other collection that I have. I don't know yet. I still have those little click cameras, those little viewers. I might just make one of these bookcases, fill it with those viewers until I run out of space for my Little Red Riding Hood collection. I don't know yet. But this is my little collection corner. And it is very small, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bookcases. So that's okay. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hope you understand what I just told you, because it is quite difficult, but it's just that I want to display my collections. What's the use of collecting if you can't display it? And by now I have little piles of stuff everywhere, and I don't want that. I want to display it. So if I want to do that, I have to let go of something else. So I'm gonna let go today of a lot of Hello Kitty items. Oh my gosh. But I hope I can make someone else very happy with them. So that's why I'm making the blind boxes. Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures of everything to, you know, as a nice memory. Because I did love collecting Hello Kitty, and she'll always be my little Hello Kitty. I always will have Hello Kitty items because I just love it. And some items I'm gonna use. And like I said, I'm gonna keep one of these bookcases for Hello Kitty. And well, let's just do this. Okay, so I thought I'd show you one more time how small this is. These are guitars, cases with our guitars in them. And then over here is my little Hello Kitty corner. But there's a lot in here. And we're gonna take it all downstairs. Maybe not all the plush, but we'll find out. So the kids just left. They've been here for a few hours. Jan and Tim have been carrying all the stuff downstairs, and they thought, well, let's just do this. But there's still a lot upstairs. We've been working for a few hours, and it's just so much. Now what's in here, that's what I'm gonna keep. But you have this. Actually, this has been sorted through. So these are the more expensive items. These are 10 to 50 euros, 15, 5 to 10 euros, 1 to 5 euros, and this is 1 euro or just extra. So that has been done. Look at it. We've sorted through all of this. But I still have to do this, and I have to do this, and I have to do this, and that. Oh, and there's something, and this, and this, and this, and this. And there's still a lot in the attic. So this is what my kitchen looks like now. Oh, you've got backlight, but yeah, that's it. So I've got lots of mess. So yeah, for today I think it's enough. I'm gonna stop. And in there is lots of Hello Kitty as well, but that's been sorted through. It's even got prices on it. I can show you. My gosh, this is such a huge collection. So over here you've got, this is in the green, 10 plus euros. And this is Hello Kitty stuff, 1 to 5 euros. And this is 1 to 5 euros. So I've got lots of boxes with Hello Kitty. And lots of boxes over here. That's been sorted through. And I still have to do a lot. But once that's finished, I can finally start filling the blind boxes, guys. And well, I'm gonna show you a video about that soon. But this is enough for today. So that is what we did today. And I'm going to start going through all of this stuff tomorrow, but not today because I'm just too tired and my feet are too tired. I also want to film what it looks like upstairs in the attic, but I can't go up 2 flights of stairs. That just won't work anymore. So that's for later on. So for right now, for instance. So guys, look at this. It's so empty. Well, it's not quite empty. I already put new stuff in here. And there's still some items I have to get out of here. But look at this. So guys, look at this. It's empty. Well, it's not quite empty. I put some puzzles and some books and stuff of Little Red Riding Hood over here. So it has a little bit of something. But they are empty. And over here I've got lots and lots of Little Red Riding Hood books. These I still have to figure out. Sort through them and take pictures of them. But this is empty. And this is empty. And over here I still have my Hello Kitty Lego. But I'm gonna take this out, but I just need to figure out how to do that. So this is gonna be empty as well. And look, that's empty. So over here I just put some of the items that I for now want to keep. And this one. But this again is empty. Well, again, not quite, because I did put some Hello Kitty items over here. I did put some re-ment items, but I don't like it because you don't see it because of the shade. So either I need to put a little light over here, or I might put these in the display cabinets on my toilets. And, well, might be a Hello Kitty cabinet. These are just some puzzles and stuff that I want to keep, but the rest is empty. And now what I want to do is get some of the plush in here that I don't really need. So I'm just going to keep the ones that I really, really, really like best. I really don't know what to do with those 3. I really like them, but they're also very ugly, but somehow. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna see what I am going to let go of and what I'm gonna keep. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. But look at it. It's quite empty. Well, there's still a lot in here, but I think half of this is gonna go, and then I'm gonna keep one of these, maybe that one because of the plush, for my Hello Kitty, and the rest is gonna be Little Red Riding Hood and maybe some other stuff. So I can collect quite a lot before this is full again. Oh boy. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the little items that I have in the bathroom. I'm going to show you downstairs actually, because this is again a few weeks later. And I'm going to show you what I did with my hallway. So let's go downstairs again. So guys, I did do all my plush. So this is what I'm going to keep, and this is what I'm going to keep. And this is empty. Just want the well over here a plush that I'm gonna let go of. The light is really weird, but look at it. It's half empty. I'm proud of myself. Okay, now let's go downstairs. So we're back down in the hallway, and you've already seen this, but it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna show you again. So this is my Little Red Riding Hood, and I just opened this. I'm gonna close it again. And over here, let's just open it. Look at it. How gorgeous is she? This is cute little Cinderella as a toddler. She needs to sit like this, otherwise she won't fit. And then over here you have lots of pink. And here you have Bruno and Cinderella. It's just so gorgeous. And this is my favorite statue. Look how gorgeous this looks. Oh. And then some more pink dress. And this beautiful mouse. And some more pins and mice, and then you have these 2. And then also that. So yeah, this is what I wanted. Isn't it awesome? Look at this. My gosh, I love the pins. And of course now I can look at this every day. So gorgeous. Okay. So where is all my Hello Kitty? All the little re-ment stuff. So cute. Okay, I hope you can see this because it's a bit dark, but I have these little display thingies in my bathroom, and it used to have lots of little rubber duckies, but I'm gonna let go of those because now I want this in here. Look at it. I've got my oh, you can see me as well. Hi. I've got my Hello Kitty re-ment stuff in here, and it's just so cute. It's all so small and tiny. Look at these. These are school supplies. Really tiny. I've got a really tiny pencil over here in a pencil sharpener. And I've got some bread stuff over here, and you know what, some snacks. And you can even get yourself a drink if you want to. So this is all very tiny and I like it. So I have 2 more over here. In here there's lots of Hello Kitty that I'm gonna let go of. Some of them I want to keep, but most of it I'm gonna let go of. So that's gonna be for maybe some different boxes. And over here, and now I need to be careful not to drop my camera in the toilet. I have these. These are from Kinder Surprise eggs, Ferrero. Look at this, I even got Lord of the Rings, and I've got Star Wars and Hollywood. So I'm gonna keep some of these, other ones I'm gonna let go, and they need to be organized because look, they have fallen down. And over here I still have some frogs with crowns. They can go. So I need to fill this with something else. Stuff like this. So what I have in the attic now is gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna put it in here. That's really fun to do. Those little tiny thingies. Boy, they mustn't fall down. Okay. So guys, that was it for this video. It was a bit complicated. I tried to tell you in the beginning, we needed to shift all my collections around. So it all started with getting everything from the attic downstairs and sorting it through. And then I could get my Hello Kitty, I wanted to say, my Cinderella over here, and of course my Little Red Riding Hood. And now we're ready for step 2, or step 275 or so. It's been a few years. Look what the next video is gonna be about. My next video is gonna be about these boxes. Oh my goodness, my whole house is full of boxes. We have been collecting these for a few weeks now, and I think we need more. This is where all the Hello Kitty items are going to be placed in. We're going to do that tomorrow, and I'm going to film little bits of it if I can, because we need to spread this out all over my living room and my kitchen and fill it up with Hello Kitty stuff. And these are going to be blind boxes. So that's the next step. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know I would love a thumbs up, and I would love it if you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell. And well, there's gonna be more declutter videos, and finally, like I said, after I think about 2 years, I can finally make blind boxes and sell all my Hello Kitty stuff. So my next video is gonna be us filling all these boxes. It's gonna be insane. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's it for today. All that's left to say is groetjes uit Holland, greetings from Holland. Bye.